Hello and welcome to the system. In this quick video, I'll show you how easy it is to create your first funnels and modify them. Basically, in 5 minutes, you have an amazing funnel that you can connect to domain and start promoting. So this is obviously the page building. So whatever template you selected, in this case, we have a furniture type of a design. So you can edit everything with your mouse. You can simply use the drag and drop to adjust position of the different elements onto the page, and the line will indicate exactly where this will go. So like this, obviously it's not a great design having such big space, so you can move it back there. So you can adjust, for example, the image itself. You can double click to edit the image and upload something else instead. So this way you can organize your content and arrange the position just by dragging and dropping your elements. So if you want to move something maybe upper, so you don't want to have it so down, you can just use this handle to basically adjust your position on top. You can do that between the different elements, any elements on the page. So you can do for the button as well. So you can organize your content very easily like this. And we also have it separated into two columns. So you have it here split into two. This will organize your content, one column for the image, one column for your text and call to action buttons. Then you have another section with other information. This is image with text. So you can edit all the content on your page, or you can delete if you don't want this section, for example. You can just delete it by clicking on the delete option. Maybe you want to delete this one as well. And instead you want to add some other block. How do you do that? So by going into this block, you can just click on add block, which allows you to add a new one. Here are some of the examples. Of course, there's so many different cool designs. You can filter by the different options here. And let's say that we want to add an image with a text, a new image with a text that we want maybe something, I don't know, maybe something like this. So you just click on it and it is automatically added into your page. You can now start editing the design of this whole thing. You can change the text, you can change the image again by double clicking, and create it as beautiful as you want it to be. And when you're ready, just click on save changes or discard if you want to go back to the last saved version of your page. So this way you can create the most amazing landing pages and anything else. Now, to access your steps of your funnel, simply click on this funnel button. So this will show all the steps that you have inside your funnel. In this case, we have 4 steps. First being the landing page, then we have a checkout, a pop-up, which would be the upsell, and a thank you page. Of course, if you want to add something else to your step as steps, you can just click from here and add a new page or a pop-up or a section label. Now, if you want to go to the next checkout, for example, the next step, just click here onto the page. Let's discard, and you'll go into your checkout page. You can again fully modify with your builder, adjust the position. You can adjust your checkout, what kind of products that you'll be selling, etc., to create the funnel that you want. This way you can do as many as you want steps. You can start testing out very easily. By when you're ready with your funnel, you can just preview it and do a test purchase or test lead generation, whatever it is, and click on save changes if you do any modifications onto your page. So this is it, how simple it is to modify, add new steps into your funnel, how to edit your page design, and when ready, just connect a domain to your funnel by going to the funnel settings, domains, and you can attach that. So this is a quick overview of how easy it is to build your funnel, and basically in minutes to create the most amazing designs, compelling, that will generate a lot of sales, leads, promote, or whatever you're trying to achieve with your funnels. Well, I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you build amazing designs, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.